happen during filming. One of the most common physical effects is weather. Do you ever wonder how we make it rain in the movies? Now, in the old days, filmmakers discovered that water didn't show very well on film, so they had to add milk to make it more visible for the camera. Of course, that means Gene Kelly was actually singing in the milk. Now, what about snow? Over the years, filmmakers have used everything from bleached corn flakes to chopped up chicken feathers to create snow for the movies. But for the Grinch, they used 150,000 pounds of crushed marble. But what if you just need a blustery autumn day? The horror movie Halloween was shot in the spring, so they had to buy fake autumn leaves. Well, that film was so low budget, the crew had to gather up those fake leaves every night after filming, just so they could reuse them again the next day. But these basic effects are just the beginning. In order to create a true special effects extravaganza, we need to combine these simple techniques with some more sophisticated effects. And to show you how all of that works, I'm going to need a few volunteers. First, I need somebody really physically fit, a man or a woman, to be my stunt person. How about we get this young lady right here? Come on up. Right over there. I need an adult. It has to be an adult. Yeah. There you go. What is your name, ma'am? Lisa? Okay, now to join Lisa, I need 3 other adults. There's no stunts involved. Let's use her right back there. Come on up. And let's see, how about we have this young lady right here in the blue shirt? Come on up. And let's see, how about we have this young lady right here in the black shirt? Come on up. There we go. Just come and join Lisa right over here. There you go. All right, now I need one last person to be my weather group. Kids work great for this one. Who would like to help me out? You want to come help me out? There you go. All right, now that these doors open, we'll be going into the Magic of Effects Theater. Volunteers will meet you guys in the first row, followed by guests we have traveling in wheelchairs and ATVs with your parties. Everyone else, please select a row that has a wooden hand railing on it. Once again, a wooden hand railing, and continue all the way down to the end of that row so we can accommodate everyone inside. All right, everyone, follow me. Fiber optics inside. And what about this one? Slate took 320 man-hours to build, all for about 11 seconds of screen time. How about this one? U-571, very good for those exciting battle scenes. That miniature sub was combined with footage of a life-size German submarine. For the movie Earthquake, dozens of models like these were created over a period of months, and just to thank everyone for their hard work, well, they were destroyed in a matter of seconds. Here to tell us more about physical effects and models is the star of Earthquake and Academy Award-winning actor, Charlton Heston.
Spectacular, wasn't it? But none of what you just saw actually happened. It was all done with the special effects people. Getting a miniature city ready for the camera takes a team of experts. Model makers create everything, from trash bins to the whole building. Scenic artists construct the background from a giant painting of sculpted styrofoam mountains. The secret to making this look real on screen is what's called high-speed photography. Cameras that shoot film 10 times faster than it's projected. Watch the parking garage on the right. That's what it looked like in real life. But this is what the high-speed camera lets us see.
You've seen how we use models. Now we're going to show you how we do things on a much larger scale. Volunteers. Shots were created by combining the weather effect we showed you in the first room, the model submarine from next door, a full-size sub, and a special set piece like this. And this conning tower set is mounted to a gimbal, which is a device that can be bounced or jostled to create the illusion of movement on film. Now with help from our volunteer Navy, we're going to show you how it works. So who's commanding this vessel today? Right. Well, behind the set piece and all 3 captains is the blue screen. A camera shoots the scene and then a computer replaces the color blue, allowing us to place our actors into any environment we choose. Like Times Square help me create the storm, we have our weather group. What is your name?
Mia.
Okay, Mia, when I say start the rain, you're gonna pull this right rope, okay? And that's gonna start the rain effect, dumping 100 gallons of water from that device down onto the heads of our volunteer Navy. They did tell you you're gonna get wet, right? Okay, crew, start rocking and rolling. It's a choppy sea today. I gotta cue those effects. Lights, camera, and action. Okay, here's your motivation. You see a huge storm coming. Okay, now point down the sea. Point down the sea, look real really scared. Beautiful. Okay, you go and start that rain. Pull that rope. You guys keep pointing. There's still a storm coming your way. All right, I'm gonna pull that rope. Me and one good pull to do. Good. 100 gallons of water right onto the top of there. Cut me, I'm really sorry about that. I thought they got that thing fixed. Well, how about a round of applause for everyone, especially our weather group, Mia. All right, so I'm gonna go step right back there. Trip drop with my assistants will be with you in just a second. Okay, now in the last stream, we saw the models used to destroy the city of Los Angeles in an earthquake. Those were great for wide shots, so we don't have any actors in the scene. However, when we shoot close-ups, we have to build things life-size. But as you can see, we only need to construct the portion of the building that the camera will see. So let's check out Lisa. There you go. Hey Lisa, are you ready up there? Alright, we're gonna make it look like you are hanging by a rope hundreds of feet in the air as you slowly rappel down that stairwell through jagged rebar and broken cement. You are up for that, right? Good. Okay, is there stunt gear on?
Stunt gear on.
Okay, go to lower her into position. And action. Alright, I know you're a little nervous. Just take your time. You're doing great. One step up slowly. Slowly falling. Oh my gosh, Lisa, are you okay down there? Come on up here. Can you make it up those stairs? Oh my gosh, she's moving a little slower than usual. Come on up here. We are so sorry. You all right? You just go and see my assistant, Susan, right over there. She'll get you all taken care of. You can stop acting now, Lisa. That's great. Thanks. How about a round of applause for Lisa and the rest of our volunteers? All right, volunteers, you may join your parties. Family and friends, please raise your hands so they can find you. That's not an option. You have to take them back now, family and friends. Please raise your hands. There you go. Well, as you can see, with the help of physical effects, we can do just about anything to bring the action to life. Now it is time for you to experience the ultimate physical effect. An 8.3 earthquake. Guests traveling in wheelchairs, please exit to the right with your parties. Following that yellow line right up to the back door, you can go ahead and...
Station. Depart here for Montgomery Street, Civic Center, Balboa Park, and Fisherman's Wharf.
Oh, this is gonna be perfect view. No, it's gonna be perfect.